In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate z-scores in Excel. A z-score is a useful way to understand how far a value is from the average of a group of values. In Excel, you can calculate it quickly by using the standardize function. This function compares one data point to the average and standard deviation of the full data range. In this example, the data values are in column B, starting at cell B2, and the z-scores will be calculated in column C. Begin by clicking cell C2. This is the cell directly next to your first data point, so it is where the first z-score result will appear. Choosing the cell beside the first value keeps your worksheet organized and makes it easier to match each z-score with the original data value. Now type the formula equals standardizes. Open parenthesis B2, comma, average. Open parenthesis $2, colon $4, close parenthesis, comma, stdav. S open parenthesis $2, colon $4, close parenthesis. The full formula should be equal sign standardizes B2, average B2 stdav. stdav. First formula has three main parts. The first part, B2, tells Excel which data point you want to convert into a z-score. The second part calculates the average of the values from B2 through B4. The third part calculates the sample standard deviation of those same values. The dollar signs in the range help keep the row references fixed when the formula is copied down the column. That way, each new row compares its own data point against the same overall range. After the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately calculate the first z-score and display the result in cell C2. This result represents how far the value in B2 is from the average of the selected data range, measured in standard deviations. Next, click cell C2 again. This selects the cell that contains the completed formula. You need to select it again so that Excel knows which formula you want to copy down the column. Move your pointer to the bottom right corner of cell C2. As you hover over that corner, look for the cursor to change into a small black plus sign. This is the fill handle, and it is used to copy formulas into nearby cells. Make sure the black plus sign appears before continuing, because that indicates you are in the correct position. Once the black plus sign appears, double-click it. Excel will flash fill the formula down column C for the remaining rows in your data range. As the formula fills down, Excel updates the first part of the formula for each row, so the next z-score is based on B3, and the one after that is based on B4. At the same time, the average and standard deviation ranges remain locked to B2 through B4, so all of the z-scores are calculated consistently. You should now see z-score values in column C next to each original data point in column B. These results allow you to compare the values in a standardized way, making it easier to see which values are above average, below average, or close to the average. And that is all there is to it.